Hello everyone and welcome to Drivenmad.
Hi, and we thought we would tell you why the sexy lights aren't fitted in his Abarth. Well, I think he'll be telling you because crack on.
Okay, so the car's had a little air conditioning issue, hasn't it?
It has.
For the last couple of weeks.
Past our pay grade.
Yeah, and it involves taking out the dashboard, and it's basically a big job. So we thought we'd take it to the dealer to get that done.
Main dealer.
Main dealer, yes.
Here in Faro, MSCAR. Let's not beat about the bush.
Beat around the bush. So I thought we'll take it in there and get them to quote the price and get it done. So they called us to say, well, we've got two options for you. Come in and check it out, and we'll tell us what to do. So fine. Went in and chose the air conditioning to be done, and then they said your car, we'll put it back together, come back tomorrow and get it. So came back, walked up.
This is yesterday.
Yesterday, walked up the back of the car, great, get in it, drove home, and then I thought, oh, there's a bit of tape on my door handle because I've got a typical Fiat 500 problem, door handle's broken, and they taped it up. So I thought I'll take the tape off. I walk around the front of the car and I see this, which I'm going to show you right now because mate, I don't even want to look at it.
Unfortunately, he's got exactly the same problems I have. Neither of us slept last night, even though you'll laugh, but it really bugs us, doesn't it?
No, I don't want to even look at it, but I've got to show you. So let's move in a bit closer and I'll show you what's happened. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in and then you can see when you spot it.
Now, if you don't know, Nathan valets this car at least twice a week, and I mean at least twice a week. It's ceramic coated, it's polished, and the only thing I thought would ever happen to it was he'd polish the paint off it. So we know every single mark on this car. Well, you'd know every mark, don't you?
Yeah.
And the paint was fantastic on it, and I'm using the word was.
And you can see there that we've got significant damage to the front bumper, the wing and the bonnet. And then if we move, which is really painful for me to look at, can you see all the swirl marks on there?
And we didn't have a single swirl. We've been so
I've spent hours
detailing this car
to get those away. Look at that. This is, by the way, then that's not dirt, that's clear coat damage. Hang on, let's get it from a different angle. It's hard to see, but in person it's not.
But it's everywhere, isn't it?
It's absolutely everywhere. So,
and their answer to this is we'll give it a polish when it comes in a month's time to have the air, because they can't get the air conditioning part for a month for whatever reason. And there's no way it's going back in there with those new lights on. No.
I'll scratch there. So I'm now just for my own amusement looking at it.
Oh, and the door, can you see what they did to the, well,
the step?
Probably can't see this, but they've kicked it. I don't know if that's visible.
Oh, there we go. Kick the door. And I know a lot of people may look at that and go, oh, well, that's nothing. That's nothing. To me, that's like you've just ripped my arm off.
Because we are pathetic.
Yeah.
But this car is your pride and joy, and we have detailed the life out of it.
That's just pointing out another bit that I'd forgotten to mention is you can see there, I know you might not even notice it, but can you see there's a gap there, this whole bit of trim sort of.
So we think they might have even hit something.
Because I can't see, comment down below what you think, but I can't see how you get a scratch there, and down on the front of the bumper here to that significance. It's almost, that to me looks like it's through the paint.
I mean, you can feel it with your nail.
Yeah.
So it's clicking.
So how do you do that? I understand the swirl marks are just from a horrible floor brush that they've washed it with, even though I detailed it the day before it went in. But how do you think they caused that front damage? That's my question.
And they are very dismissive of the damage. It's nothing to them. And this is a Abarth main dealer. So other than that, let's stop moaning. Let's look at the other things that once this is back to pristine, the headlights will be going in. Show everyone what he's purchased.
Okay, so any Abarth owner out there who's done blacking out on their car will know that the only options you've got are painting it or plastic covers.
Painting it seems acceptable to me.
Acceptable if we could paint. Now, well, I know you said you paint them for me.
I did offer to paint them.
I would rather go with the black plastic trim because I've seen my dad paint, right? And we'll just show this one. Dad says this looks like cheap nasty plastic.
Well, it is cheap nasty plastic.
But it's gloss black, painted plastic, so I don't see any issue with that. And these are all trims to black out the car. Now, I don't like the chrome. I was going to plasti dip it, but I decided it's easier to go with these covers, and the majority of them on the forums have these. So,
does that look stylish?
Only an old man who doesn't know what he's talking about.
I mean, look at it.
They're really nice. They're gloss black plastic trims. Well, there's plastic on there. Look, look. It's plastic anyway. Oh, that's going to look so much better. Look at that. Instantly. Instantly better.
Could you hold that and let me have a look?
I can. Do you want to put your glasses on?
I've got them on. Nobody else will want to watch this. They'll all have... Do you know what it is?
What?
It's not scratched.
You're right. It's a really nice finish on this.
It looks all right. I can't deny. Exactly. It looks all right.
So we can tell them to shut up at this point.
All right. It doesn't look too bad.
It doesn't look too bad.
It doesn't. I take it all back. It doesn't look too bad.
You know, clearly Dan's in a bit of a moaning mood. We're going to see.
Well, nothing unusual there, is there?
No. That's just because he's woken up.
I've only got one specialist subject, and it's moaning.
What do we think of that then, ladies and gents? Other than the fact it's a much deeper, nicer,
it'll look nicer because what's going down below.
Ah, this is interesting. So I'll move out the camera there. I'll pop up there on the screen a photo of my very, very sexy
and expensive
Koshi carbon fibre diffuser that's coming. It's got a red accent in red carbon, and it's coming from TMC Motorsport, the Abarth tuning company, which I got these trims from, and that should be here in a couple of weeks. And well, just look at it, it's gorgeous.
It is. It is
very, very excited.
No,
for that.
I like that.
You like.
I'm a bit disappointed because you said it's just another stick-on bit.
Well, I don't know if it's a stick-on.
Oh right, I'm hoping it takes. You take all of that off.
I think it will be a direct replacement.
Well, it should be for the amount you've paid for it.
True.
Well, Grandma paid for it.
Grandma paid for it. Thanks, Grandma. But no, a lot of very, very cool upgrades are going on this, but the delay is due to its little incident with the paintwork,
which is going to be a month.
Which we've got to wait a month to get the aircon part in, so they said they'll polish it when it goes in for that. So we'll see how they do on that job.
Yes.
Who knows what happens.
But then, Monday, this is Saturday, when this goes out we will have already got it, won't we? We're flying to Porto to pick up my new car.
New car.
Another new car.
Very exciting.
My new car of 2 months ago, I only had for a week and then it's dead.
Yep.
I still own it, but it's dead, so I've got to go buy myself a Tide Me Over. So I've bought myself a Tide Me Over car.
Yeah, and you can all start guessing in the comments.
Yeah, you won't get it.
You'll never ever get it.
Yeah, I didn't even think they sold them here, so we found one. Not that I was specifically after that car.
It just fits the bill.
It fits. Old man's car. Old man's car.
Perfect for you.
Yeah.
So comment down below what you think.
Sorry, we've rabbited on too long again.
Well, you know, we haven't done a video chatting for a little while, so we've got a lot to say and get off our chest.
Yeah, because we're very, very, very moany about this.
Very moany, but I'm really excited to get them on, and I know people in the viewers are as well, so you can shut up.
The viewer.
The viewer. Stefano, thanks.
I'll make yes. Let's have a comment. I've put some socks down here, Mikey, just sort of, you know.
To tease you.
Yeah, but it doesn't really look...
Don't get your hopes up.
No.
But yes,
thank
you guys for watching, and stay tuned because there will be a Bath content, but we've just got to wait for this little herb.
Yes, we've got another car coming. Yeah. There's going to be nothing to do with that because I haven't seen it yet, but theoretically it's immaculate. Yeah. And then we've got a lot to do on my L200, which you've never seen.
No, and a couple of bits on mine, and the videos will start coming back. So thank you guys for watching.
Yeah, and we're going to go and have a coffee and moan a bit more.